today I'm going to show you how to upgrade your Capital One credit card. So we are currently here on our desktop for our Capital One account. You can actually also even do this on your mobile device. It's going to be fairly similar in the process. Now here on our desktop version of our account, you can see we currently have a Capital One Quicksilver card. Now this process will work on whichever credit card you have from Capital One and where you want to upgrade to. So for us, we're going to go ahead and go into this version of our account. So we're going to click on View Account. Again, whether you have the Venture card, the other credit cards that they have offered for you. So just go ahead and click on the one you have. And that is going to take you to your cards overview page here for you. Now, there's a couple different ways to get to this same place here for us. So the easiest way for us is going to be right over here towards the middle of the screen. It says View Offers and Upgrades. Let's go ahead and click on this. All right, so that goes ahead and takes us to the offers and upgrade page. Now, the very first section here is going to be new products for you. So we don't actually need this section here. We want to go down here to the next section that says current card offers. Now here, you're going to see towards the right-hand side, it says explore upgrades. And we want to go ahead and click into this section here. All right, so from here, this is going to be where you can upgrade or change your card. It shows you which card you currently have, the annual fees, the cashback bonuses. And if you scroll down here, you can see whichever offers are going to be currently available for you. So this will be determined based off of the card you currently have, your access, and everything else too. So yours might look a little different than mine. So from here, you can see we currently have access to Venture One, Venture, and Saver. And you can see all of the different benefits. And then you can also go ahead and toggle down on these sections over here to add in additional details for each card. Now, if any of these are ones that appeal to you, keeping in mind any annual fees and the reward points, you can click on change to whichever option, go through the remaining part of that process to change your credit card on your Capital One account. Now, I have more to show you when it comes to managing your credit cards on your Capital One account, such as increasing your credit limit. So check out our next video right over here to show you how to do just that.